Clear skin, shiny hair, and natural makeup with healthy look, the Japanese girls are obsessed with beauty of ourselves. We all love the ladies' skincare, cosmetics, and beauty products. In today's video, I'm introducing 10 must-buy beauty products from Daiso, 3COINS, and standard products. Those are now popular among locals. As you know, they are reasonable prices, yet good quality, more than the prices surprisingly. Let's get started from Daiso at Shibuya store. Cute hairbands are must-have items that make your daily skincare and makeup routine more enjoyable. It's fluffy and soft and feel good to touch. I'm also happy that they carry many color options. The semi-character face wash wristbands are also cute. The hair tie as well. If you like to go with other characters, how about this? They remind me of dust bunnies from My Neighbor Totoro. I have the purple one. There are even more options available, so it's perfect as a souvenir for your friends. The slot A buying onigiri clip is also cute. For those who prefer a more mature look, I also recommend a fur hair clip. The spring is strong and holds firmly. These items are indispensable for those whose hands get dry in winter. After applying plenty of hand cream, you can tightly rub the moisturizing ingredients into your skin. The index finger part can be operated on the touch panel. If you have sensitive skin, I recommend the ones made of 100% cotton. Daiso's makeup brush is hot topic because they are so good to use. Kumi is a new cosmetic brand that debuted in March 2025, collaborating with Daiso and Tokyo Girls Collection. Not only it is cute, but also fluffy and comfortable to use. The brand also has high-quality eyeshadow, lips, brushes, and other items, even budget-friendly. Recommended for applying face powder all over your face and cheek brush. With a large amount of hair that you cannot believe it's only 300 yen plus it's stand by itself. This brush has been a hot topic since its released. It comes with a case that holds 6 eyeshadow and lip brushes separately so you can carry it around without messing. It snaps into place and is compact, making it an essential item for travel. For those who prefer something even more compact, this is also recommended. It's 5-way makeup brush. It's almost a half size of the previous one. It comes with cheek brush and 4 types of brushes. This is nice for me as I wear light makeup. If you prefer something even more and more compact, it also carries such convenient brushes. As I already introduced in my previous video, this is absolutely a must-buy item. You can easily make dense bubbles. Just add some water and facial cleanser, then pull the handle up and down repeatedly. You could easily make a dense creamy form. This can lather both bar soap and tube type. Wash your face with rich foam thoroughly, removes dirt from pores, and leaves your skin moisturized. Elevate the effect for an additional 100 yen for your usual care. While applying a sheet mask, I usually dry my hair, but the wind can remove the mask and the surface dries out quickly. The 3D mask has a wrapping effect to prevent evaporation of the serum and with the ear hook to prevent the face mask from slipping. By cutting this part, it's adjustable. It can be used as a steaming mask by using it when taking a bath. Makeup sponges are also very popular. It helps the makeup doesn't come off easily and the finish is very beautiful. The sponge contains hyaluronic acid powder. The model design is cute and there's ingenuity to the shape. The sharp part is perfect for the small areas around the nose and eyes. The base is flat so it can be used on the large areas of the cheek and forehead. What's more, the spongy with case is very popular right now. It got bent at the back. It can be carried cleanly in a pouch. If you soak it in the water, it will become even more jiggly and bigger. When it contains water, the makeup finish is moistured and glossy. And a surprise fact, some carries your favorite figures in this case. Standard Products is a brand that was born as a new business model of Daiso. The price range is about 300 to 500 yen. It carries daily necessities such as kitchen items and cleaning products. The biggest point is the products created by teaming up with domestic local industries. You could get a chance to know the charms of Japanese technical skills of the craftsman and then comfort to use. Kumano brush is made in Kumanocho, Hiroshima Prefecture. That is the best brush town in Japan. Due to its high quality, it is loved by makeup artists around the world as well as major domestic companies. Depending on the item, it is finest makeup brush that costs around $300. This is a specially developed product that offers high quality at a low price. Once you try the product, you will be hooked. It's a scalp care brush with handle. Its most distinctive feature is spiky thorns. Made of silicone with holes, it drains quickly and stays clean. As you can see, these spikes are firm and easy to massage scalp. The scalp care I used before didn't reach my skin very well and I didn't feel satisfied. However, this one reaches deep into the scalp, improving blood circulation and leaving the skin feeling refreshed after washing. Since it is made of silicone, I recommend massaging it into hair after applying shampoo or treatment. It has handles so it's easy to use. If you want a stronger massage, hold it here. It reduces eye and shoulder fatigue and is also recommended for people who suffer from headache. 3COINS is popular for its fashionable and convenient items. The price is mainly 300 yen, but many products in the price range is other than 300 yen recently. I've been interested in silk nightcap for a long time. I was hesitant to buy because 100% silk would cost 5,000 yen at least, but at this price it's worth to try. It carries nightcap and pillowcase type with different sizes in some color options. I use a pillowcase because I'm worried it might fall off during sleeping. Please note that this does not cover the entire pillow, only one side. It's easy to style my hair the next day and I recommend it for people with sensitive or acne skin. The scalps of the fingertips stands out in the dry season. For only 300 yen, it contains argan oil that moisturizes the skin. It carries 4 types: Kinmokusei, tea, rose, and jasmine. I used rose last time, so I tried jasmine this time. It's compact and easy to carry around. I don't have to worry about oil leaking, so I always keep it in my pouch. One side of the tip is a brush, and when you turn it around on the other side, oil comes out. It comes with a brush so you can easily apply it with your non-dominant hand. Recommended for after washing your hands or when you are concerned about dryness. There are many other beauty products available, so please check them out. In today's video, I introduce 10 of my recommended beauty products. Which items are you interested in? The Japanese girls enjoy beauty by using reasonable and high-quality items. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.